Now, in course creation, there's one more thing that I want to show you is how to import videos from Vimeo. Alright, so once again, you will create a new module. Let's suppose Vimeo import. Okay, that's a new module. And you're gonna select the import videos option right over here. Alright, and over here, what you are gonna do is inside your Vimeo account, okay, you can click on showcases. I mean, provided you have created the showcases. I mean, after you have done, after you have created some showcases inside your Vimeo account, just like you create a playlist in YouTube, you can create a showcase inside your this account, Vimeo account. Okay, so over here you have your showcase, and over here, let's suppose this is the showcase in which I have some 30 odd videos, and this is the one that I want to import. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this showcase ID over here, and once I'm in Vimeo, I'm gonna select showcase ID. I'm gonna put the showcase ID over here, and what is gonna happen is all the videos that I have inside the showcase, they're gonna import right over here. And now you know the procedure. You can click on plus one by one, and the videos are gonna be imported right over there. Now, one thing that you need to keep in mind is, just in case these videos are public, so they are gonna be imported just like that. But just in case these videos are private, which of course if you have a course, you would keep your videos private. So then in order to import these videos, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, you need to go to other integrations, Vimeo, and over here you need to have an integration with Vimeo. Alright, you just need to click on connect here. It will ask for the permission. You will get the permission, and then you can, your Vimeo would be imported, and similarly, just like that, you will be able to import Vimeo videos. Alright, so yeah, so that's how you can even import Vimeo videos inside your membership. Alright, right now I'm gonna delete this because I don't need it right now. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to sell the membership. I mean, create membership product that can be sold. Alright.